Enough waiting. We're here. We're ready. I posted what I needed to. We're good. Diving right on into the Bitcoin. I need everyone to just realize what just happened. We just hit our measured move to the upside. Let's get rid of that so you can see it. We had this up here all weekend. You heard me say it right there. $69,440 was hit twice. So if you were in on that trade, you were enjoying it. We were looking at this thing ever since we broke out back here during the consolidation. All of it. We had it set up. We were looking at it like this. Anyways, we did it. Congratulations, everybody. We also closed a weekly candle. So on this weekly candle, you can see it is a very distinct weekly candle close above our resistance. So we can now get rid of this. Doesn't matter anymore. Let's get rid of this. Don't matter. Does not matter. Doesn't matter. All that doesn't matter anymore. We're going to get rid of these tiny little lines as well. Get it. Not yellow. Hold on. Where's the red one? Whatever. I'll get rid of it later. But checking it out. Breakout has happened. The best part here, you have plenty of room on the relative strength and the stochastic to continue the rally on the weekly. That is fantastic. Checking out your MACD. Holy smokes. Second green candle. And we have a bullish cross on the MACD. This is a very big deal about what just happened there. Very big deal. So, awesome. Love to see it. Let's go down to your daily for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is starting to enter overbought territory, so would not surprise me if we saw a bit of consolidation outside of this. We see a back test, we see a pullback, something like that. Would not be a surprise whatsoever, but this could lead to some of our altcoins getting a chance to breathe. What I mean by breathe, I mean like go up. There are 3 coins right now that we probably shouldn't even look at, but we are going to look at them. It is ApeCoin. It is, oh, geez. We're pulling back on my Chiliz trade. No. You know what? I'm going to close this. No, I'm not. I'm going to leave it. Screw it. I'm going to leave it. Might get liquidated here live on stream. Just might. 50 million Pepe is all you need. Lewis, interesting thought. Interesting thought. We'll take a look at Pepe when we get to that point. But ARPA, Ape, and there was one other one. It was close to Ape. API 3. Those are the 3 tokens we're just not even going to care about right now unless you're looking for shorting options. But they need to pull back a bit, so we're just not going to really care about them. But we are going to look at their chart. Now, Bitcoin, solid day. Let's check out the Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, we're starting to see a little bit of movement in the market. Making me nervous on this Chiliz trade. I might actually just get out of it. Look at that. This Bitcoin dominance pullback here. This is why you saw some of those altcoins go absolutely insane today. Because they started taking up some of the market cap. Yeah, I'm going to get out of this trade so I don't even have to think about it while we're live. I'll get into a different trade later. So, we will do a live trade later. We will do that. Also, this is going to be a big week for crypto. We're going to see what happens after the breakout. Alright, so Bitcoin dominance is looking like it's pulling back finally. Probably just going to come down here to 58.05%. That's fine, no big deal. Not going to worry about it. Let me get rid of a lot of these alerts as well. Let me get rid of these. Remove. God, this is such a options. Can I clear all of them? Active. Can I get rid of all of them? I can stop them all. Remove all inactive. Why can't I just remove them? Whoever made this update, I want them fired. whoever made the update. I want them fired. I love it when I can just clear the alerts without having to go through these little hoops. Like, oh, let me click extra. So frustrating. So frustrating. If I stop them all, are they considered inactive? Actually, you know what? Let's try that. Stop all. Yes. So now they're all stopped. Now, what happens if I remove all inactive? Yes. Oh! That, I just have to take an extra step? Alright, we learned something new. I'm happy, though. We all learned that together. Alright. So Bitcoin actually doing very good on the pullback, on the dominance. Love to see that. We're just going to move right along here. Let's check out Ethereum. Sorry, I'm excited now. I'm super excited. I can get rid of them fast. Oh, that makes me happy. Ethereum had a very good day. Very good day. Confirm breakout on the daily. I repeat, confirm breakout. We had this thing, just the trade setup was set. Felt like forever. It was a full week where we're like, yeah, Ethereum should get that 5.3%. We're just waiting and waiting and waiting. We got it. We got the confirmed breakout. Now we need some confirmation. We need a back test. We need to reset some indicators. Things might get a little bit boring for Ethereum once again, but we do have the breakout. That is the most important part. But what could happen is a nice little back test. Any area around here would be sufficient, or Wall Street just keeps the party going because measured move is 24%, possibly getting up to $3,351 for Ethereum. So Ethereum, I'm going to stop talking so much crap about it because it finally broke out. I'm going to not talk nearly as much crap. So Ethereum looking just fine. We're good. Let's go on up to BNB because it's closest on my watch list. BNB official breakout. Official breakout. We were getting held down by this trend line right here, but we finally got out. So now we're just waiting to see, are we going to back test it? Are we going to chop around right here? Or do we find our resistance up here at 656? And then the trade setup is still set. So we were looking at this back over here, 45% upside. I'm looking for $841. So BNB token is set up for glory. Love to see that. Let's go to Solana. Solana's been the weekend warrior we all were hoping it would be. Let's check it out. So not only did we break the 163.75, but as I stated in last night's stream, we are headed toward 174. If you were part of that stream, or if you were the one in Discord asking me about where that resistance is for Solana, yeah, we're moving. It's just not as fast as a small altcoin that's sitting at all-time lows. Anyways, I got smoked on my SUI trade, so we got stopped out of SUI. Kind of sucks, but is what it is. I'm going to show you guys what I was looking at. What's up, Max? How you doing? So looking at SUI, what was I looking at? I was looking at this thing as, oh, we are hitting overhead resistance. We hit it once. At the time, we had hit it. We pulled back, came up. We made a lower high. We're pulling back. This was where I got in on my trade. Should have exited here because all we did was come up and then we started doing some weird stuff. Anyways, I don't know what it's going to do now. SUI people are just buying it up, just not letting it come down. They swept the high right here, which that's a problem. Because now you're like, hey, we're uptrending. But, you know, you check it out on the daily. The daily is indicating, sure, we could go up, but also it's like, we're still overextended. Price could fall straight down to 155.5. And it's just a back test of your 50 simple. So I don't like what SUI's doing. I don't enjoy it. It's confusing, but hey, is what it is. We're back to just not trading it. Yeah. I still thought the 10% would come. Looks like we're breaking to the upside for reasons. I don't know. I have no idea. But reasons. We're going up. 4 hour, I mean, you're cooked. Your stochastic's super high. This thing might pull back in the middle of the night and then all of a sudden rally tomorrow. We were finding resistance off of our 50 simple right here for a while. Then we just went above it. You can see how this chart looks weird. We lose our 50 simple, we get above it. We lose it, we get above it. We lose it, we're back above it again. But now we're trying to break out, I guess. Your 1 hour time frame looks even more confusing. You fell below your 200, you were getting held down, you came back above it. You fell below your 200, you hit it once, you tried to break above it, came back down. Now you're breaking back out. Sui's a confusing one to me. I don't understand what traders are looking at and why they're still buying. I don't get it, but I should actually understand a little bit. This is a token that is directly influenced by Binance, so maybe that has something to do with it. So maybe Binance themselves is buying this token and they're just creating a floor at a really high level. I don't know. But yeah, this thing, very, very hard to trade. Very hard to trade. And that bothers me. I don't like it when things don't move normally. I don't like that. All right. Good evening, TK. What is up? How you doing? TK, weren't you the one saying we were going to pull back? Weren't you that guy? Hold the line. Yes, hold the line. Oh, US. We already know what's going to happen with the US. We're going to pull back. We already know. They're going to sell it off in the beginning of the day, and then they'll probably buy it back later. We already know. Keep in mind, for Bitcoin, your 4 hour time frame and your 1 hour time frame, stochastics are very high. You were talking about XRP. What? Really? Really? XRP. Okay. 4 hour stochastic is pointed straight up off this little move. Maybe we have a little bit more of a pump in us, but I'm feeling like we're really high on relative strength. If we do rally, I don't know where it's going from there. Don't know. AGI chart looks like it might break sooner rather than later. We'll check out AGI. So we got to check out Pepe first. Pepe. So where are you, Pepe? Are you at the top? You're at the top. All right. So Pepe, I'm told from Lewis, you need 50 million Pepe. That's all you need. Pepe is currently still trying to do its thing. We are looking to find support or find resistance. Possible resistance, maybe a breakout. 1161. So we did look at this the other day. You had this weird little wick here, but we are trending up. Gold Bullion International plus XRP XAU established 2014. Cool. I did not know that, but that's cool. Alrighty. So, we're still waiting on this trade. Checking out the 1 hour time frame for Pepe. Ugh, looks gross. I don't like how high the stochastic is. I really don't like it. How's AVAX? We'll check that out. We will check that out. Also, we're going to do a segment of this where we're going to actually dive into some little S coins, and we're going to look at it in the way that I normally would look at it. So then maybe you guys could use the same method or introduce little pieces of that into your method while looking at these little meme coins. We're going to do that. Also, hey, before the craziness of everybody, go look at my deck screener thing. We did that last night. I did not enjoy myself. If you want me to look at some random S coin that I don't randomly find on CoinGecko, yeah, it's going to cost. I'm not going to pull up deck screener outside of what I'm searching for unless you guys drop a $5 tip. That's outside of that, not doing it. Okay? Just putting that in the forefront. Not doing it. All right. Yeah, that drove me nuts last night. I'm not even going to lie. I absolutely hated that. But all right, coming down to your 15-minute. So 15-minute is trying to reset for Pepe. Pepe could continue this rally. So on the rally, we're looking for the final 8%, maybe slightly higher, like a 8.3% move. Let's see, what level should we be looking out for? As long as we stay above these candle high closes around 105. As long as we stay above that, we should be okay. I'm saying should. It's not a guarantee, but should. All right, so we checked out Pepe. Let's go ahead and check out XRP. Fan of Shiba. Yeah, I'm a fan of Shiba. Shiba's cool. Shiba's cool. XRP. Let's check out this stable coin. Oh, I know that makes XRP people mad. I know it makes them mad. Alright. Jesus. You know, I'm going to rechart this. Yeah. I'm going to rechart this. I mean, if you're trading on the weekly, all you're basically looking at is a sideways chart. I mean, look at that. You can see from inception, it's just been centered around this one line. One line. You did use it as support once. That's cool. Just centered around it. And now it's getting really tight. Oh, wait. XRP might be due for like an explosive move. It's getting really tight on the weekly. Maybe we need to look at XRP a little more seriously, because this is extremely tight price action. When it does break out of this, it could be very big. The longer the base, the higher the space. Yeah, that's true. That's actually very true. Because they're making a very strong base sitting at this 49.75 level. As long as price doesn't drop below that, you're kind of sitting pretty. But it does look like we got another level of support here, which was candle low closes from this, and candle high closes right here. So this is what we're focused in on. You bounced off of it once, twice, 3 times. That's very interesting. Very interesting. You are just range bound, aren't you? Holy. So range bound. Wow. That is the most range bound I've seen an asset in a while. I think the only one that looked more range bound than this was Chainlink. Yeah, Chainlink for like almost 2 years. It was just range bound. It was crazy. But you're coming off your lows, you're expecting it to hit your highs. That's really what we can see out of XRP right now. But if you break that 66-cent level, I mean, you have a lot of upside. You have a lot of upside. Let's check out the demand line that's working here. I guess we're going to go with that because it's the highest. There, you're coming to a climax. So this thing should resolve sometime in December or sooner. December or sooner. We should get some type of, this thing's going to go in a direction, probably up. Probably going to go up with the rest of the market. XRP trade, Lewis, you guys can trade this thing if you want. Me personally, I would much prefer trading stocks than XRP. I would trade stocks over XRP, if I'm being completely honest. They move, actually, stocks move faster. Stocks move faster than XRP. Yep, I can say that. Stocks actually move faster than XRP. Kind of crazy to think. But a measured move out of this thing could be pretty substantial. And the problem with XRP, when it does make these moves, it's like in a day, and then all of a sudden it's over. Can I take a look at Sol? Simply better. We did. Yeah, we can go back to Sol. Once I loop back around. After we look at XRP, we got to look at AVAX, then Shiba. And then we will look at Sol again. No, I've only been live 23 minutes. If you rewind, probably like 10 minutes, you'll see it. Oh, sorry. Not Sol, Sui. Yeah, we can look at Sui. I just looked at that too. because I got stopped out of my trade. It was terrible. But anyways, 4 hour, you're pretty high on your stochastics. You're sitting in neutral territory for XRP. Going down to your 1 hour time frame, super high on stochastics. So I would still be expecting a pullback. But an XRP pullback, I mean, you're uptrending. So you're probably just going to test the uptrend right here. So even if you pull back, it might just be something nominal, like getting down to 53.87. So maybe you lose 1 penny before you start heading back up. So that's what I'm seeing out of XRP right now. Greetings, what's up, Tech Age? How you doing? How you doing? All right. So now that we looked at XRP or XRPay, one of these days XRP is going to break out, and then everybody's gonna be like, "Oh no, I should have held more." And then it's like, "Did you make money elsewhere though? Did you? Don't feel like you missed out. It's fine." All right. Checking out. Oh wait, AGI. Got to check out AGI first. Sergio, you almost let me get away with not looking at AGI before AVAX and Shiba. Gotta speak up, everybody. I really hope AGI, you mean the crypto and not the stock. It's all good, boss. All right. We're going to check. Wait, what is this thing called? Is it just... I think it's just this one. Yes, crypto. Okay. Drop it out to the weekly. Weekly stochastic. Super high. But you're sitting in neutral territory. Ooh. This is an interesting little chart here. I like it. You had a rise, a pullback, rise, pullback. A little higher low action. I do kind of like that. Kind of like that a lot. You were testing that level. That was the level. Okay. All right. If you lost that level, you're in danger. Jeez. You were in danger if you lost it. Oh no. Okay. Oh. Yeah, you could be getting close to a breakout. I mean, you're kind of bull flagging out, or you just broke out of a bull flag on the daily. You're sitting in between all your moving averages. Yeah, you just broke out of it. Bifida. The anal bifida. It's in the bifida family. You know. Sorry, I don't know why I'm thinking of Dukes of Hazzard, but it's just been playing in my head. I don't know why. It just is. And it's not because of Jessica Simpson, you dirty, dirty men. Not because of her. So, if this does play out, a measured move would be getting up here to 26.46.3. From where you're sitting, this could be a 39% rise. Really nice part. You can see how you had candle high closes here, candle low closes here. You're kind of in a local area of like a little pocket of liquidity. Just a little pocket right there. So if you can stay in this pocket and continue to the upside, that would be phenomenal. If you lose it though, I mean very fast you could see yourself back down here to 1698. Very fast you could see that. Because you did not actually back test. So if it came straight down and it touched this level and you got that formal back test, would be a very good spot to get in, but then you would lower your measured move and you would be aiming for 25.22. Let's go ahead and drop down to your 4 hour. 4 hour does look like it's ready to go up. Stochastic's pointing straight up. You're sitting in neutral territory. MACD's not showing anything bad. Kind of the same sell pressure as back here that you're getting right now. So that's not bad. You're above your 50 simple. Looking at your 1 hour. 1 hour looks like you're going to consolidate more. Kind of normal because it is Sunday going into Monday. Very short-term trend line that you had here. very short term. You're getting rejected off of it right now. So you just rejected off of it. If you can break this tiny little downtrending line and these yellow lines, then you have two targets. Two targets. Well, possibly three. But first, you would be aiming at the demand line overhead, which is about 13.8% upside. And then you would be aiming for overhead resistance, which is 21%. And the third target would be wherever this measured move is. Let's just say this is considered your back test, so you'd be looking at the possibility of getting up here. Around 26, 58, wherever that might be. So as long as it consolidates in this little range, you're good. And a little icing on the cake, it looks like you are regarding this as a supply line right now. So don't dip below this wick here, and you're good. You're good for upside. So that's AGI. AGI looks pretty interesting, but we're going to have to wait and see. I will say trading on a Sunday leading into Monday, it is dangerous. It is very volatile. A lot of people get stopped out on a Sunday going into Monday. So be careful with your trades tonight if you're trying to open up new ones, because it can pull back while you're sleeping. You'll wake up and be like, hey, what the heck happened? You got stopped out. That's what happened. So that's AGI. Let's go ahead and check out AVAX. Why'd you guys let me pull out of Chili's? God dang it. I blame you all. I blame you guys. Although I really do want to be in C98, if I'm being honest. Checking out the AVAX. A little more consolidation in you, but AVAX looking pretty good. Looking like it's trying to break that 200 daily moving average. Doing its best. So we're still aiming at getting up here to 39.14. Still aiming at it. It looks really good. Looks like the possibility's there on the daily. You're in neutral territory, just now coming up. Your stochastic pointing straight up. Nice. 4-hour time frame looks bad. Looks, yeah, a lot left to be desired. The nice part is you got back above this 28.14. I would expect a back test. That's just my expectation. You could break out and then back test this demand line here. So you're going to have to just watch it. Just going to have to watch it. Checking out the one. Yeah, your 1 hour wants to pull back a little bit. So if we can get back down here to 28.14 and hold it, that might be the entry for you. And at that point, you would be looking at 39.14. Noted, if you do not hold this 28.14, you would then be looking for 27.12. And if you can't hold either one of those, your supply line sitting down at 25.77. Don't forget to buy silver and gold. TK. Always out here with the wisdom. Okay. So that's what I see out of AVAX. Not much else to talk about since yesterday. All you did was go up and try to test the demand line, and it looks like it's starting to pull back a little bit. Next, we got to check out SUI again. And then we get to move into the coins that went crazy that we probably shouldn't even look at, but you know what, we will. Then we'll look at the trades I think are going to be phenomenal tonight and tomorrow. I think they're like tonight and tomorrow, honestly. They should be phenomenal. But we'll see. SUI. Are we finally pulling back? I don't even know. Welcome. I always love having to open a jar. Alright, so we did have this fall into the consolidation. Bitcoin was going a little crazy today, so SUI popped up out of it. Stopped me out of my trade. I'm going to remind everyone, it stopped me out of my trade. So I'm not in this trade. But me personally, I still think it needs to pull back. You're high on your relative strength on the 1 hour. Looks like you're about to start pulling back. Your 15-minute or the 5-minute, yeah, they're resetting fast. So this thing could go up, but I would expect it to go down. It's playing hardball out here. Definitely stop me out. Is that a rising wedge that I see right here? Hold on. Hold the phone here. Did they get me? Or is this like a channel? No, it's a channel. It's a channel. Too bad. So yeah, Sui, it's in a weird spot because it's like trying to break out, but it's getting dragged down. So considering I think Bitcoin is going to pull back, I would call this one to pull back. And first target I'm looking at is 191.55. 191.55 is my first target I'm looking at. If you continue below that, then could get a little nasty. Could get a little bit nasty, a little freaky, you know. And then you'd be looking all the way down here. Noted, if we do go up, this thing could be just testing your demand line. And as we see from previous times, it goes pretty fast. So you'd be looking at something like a 21% rise. Sui is weird. Anything is possible. So we kind of just have to wait and see. If you manage to drop below this 207.51, your odds are slightly in the favor of it going down. But I tried shorting it. Couldn't do it. So I'm not even trading it anymore. Nor am I going to look at it anymore. It's just kind of like didn't work. Out of there. Now then, let's go ahead and check out ApeCoin. See what happened. ApeCoin went crazy. Absolutely crazy. So checking Ape on the daily. Just the daily. The one day. Right here. This is nuts. And it looks like it's still trying to go up. It's up 4.8%. $2 is your next target. Like, that is wild. Going out to the weekly. The weekly, your 100 simple moving average is sitting at $2.19. So it could break this and get up there. Would make all the sense in the world. You got a pocket of liquidity there. Okay. So you got a pocket right there. It could be trying to head straight up into this pocket here. And lower it down. Right there. So straight up into that pocket. If it can stay above $1.35. That is crazy. Oh, we got a demand line. I didn't realize that we had a demand line. That's good. We broke out? Oh my god. On the weekly, we broke out. Could I take a look at big time, please? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Alright, so this is actually insane. On the weekly, you had this demand line here that it broke out of. And it hold on, we got a back test? Oh shit. Weekly candle close right outside and a formal back test. This thing could keep running. That's disturbing. Looking at the daily for Ape. Yeah, that is a formal back test of the demand line. Okay. If we get lucky and get a pullback down to 128, I don't like saying it, but you could try to go long. It's kind of weird. It could keep going. The possibility's there. So, I'm not going to trade this. I am not that risky. I will play the lottery enough. Not this one. This thing was up 85% at the highs when I saw it today. It was nuts. But yeah, that is a formal back test of a demand line. This thing could actually keep going. Let's see. Your 1 hour reset. This thing's getting ready to go now. What the okay, hold on. What the hell? Yeah, you had this downtrend here. You broke out once, broke out twice, got your back test. Now you're... What the hell? This thing is crazy. So if you look at this as like a bull flag, your target is $2.30. That's nasty. That's nasty. You're 15, not overbought yet. Oh my gosh, the Weekend Warriors came out for this one. The fact that you got this consolidation and now you're starting to rally again, that's impressive. Even your 5-minute wants to keep going. That is shocking. API 3 wants to keep going too? Oh my god. You know what? No, we're gonna play the scratcher. We're gonna do this trade live. Cause it went up big time, but this is another 47% that could be going up. I am reading that correctly. We can stay above $1.45.8. What do you think, chat? Do we take this trade? What do you think, chat? Do we wait for it to come back down? Considering you already traded sideways on it and popped up. What do we do here? Max says no. I like where your head's at, Max. It's smart. It's reasonable. Makes sense. You're like my conscience right now. I've never really listened to it. Alright, Max says no. We go long. We go long and we get wrecked. Anyways, that's Ape right there. Let's go ahead and check out API 3. API 3 looks way worse. Way worse, but it had a great day. This, wow, it went all the way up to your 50 weekly simple moving average and pulled back. Now you're holding above your 100. Wowzers. Okay. Okay. Oh, you got resistance right here. Right there. No, right there. Maybe? It's a weird little area. We're going to put it right there. Weird little area. And then we got something up here, which it tapped it. Okay. Those are the areas we care about most. We had this very sharp downtrend. Very, very sharp. This thing sold off hard. Noted, it rallied hard, but... Huh! It tested the demand line. That's priceless. Actually priceless. You tested your demand line. Nice little test, not broken out. Too bad, so sad. Too bad. But, dropping down to the daily. You're in no man's land for daily. That's actually kind of cool. The fact that you're in no man's land and you technically are above a small pocket of support. What do I mean? I mean these candle low closes here. You're technically above it, holding it as support. That's really awesome. ApeCoin pulling back hard. See there? Max was right. Max was right. That's why we didn't get in there. BTC getting its pullback now. Oof. Oof. Oh yeah, everything's pulling back, which means the SUI trade is on. The pullback is real. Let's go. All right. We might have to jump into SUI again. I don't want to though. So there's that. Caspa doing nothing. That's funny. Oh yeah, god damn it. Simply, we will be looking at big time. Don't worry. We will be looking at it. Jesus. I literally just passed by it. It was down like 10% today. It was a good pullback, if I'm being honest. Alright, API 3. We're looking to find support either off this 179.5, but in reality, If we come all the way back down to 142, it would make sense. It would actually make a lot of sense to come straight back down here where you started and then push back on up. We're going to see how long it takes to reset your indicators. Maybe you find a lot of support off 162. We're going to have to see. Of course your 1 hour wants to rally. Of course. Why not? Sure. The 15 minutes going to drag you down, though. Just going to drag you down. It did break out, but you have a high stochastic once again. You're out of oversold territory. It could just get one more leg down. Perfectly fine. Fib levels, we would be looking at the possible move down to 169.6, which could yield you a 7.3% downside move. So you got moving averages moving down. This is a trade that I would probably actually take, like, no joke, because you went up way too fast, and I'm expecting the pullback, so this is a trade I would probably take. I'm not right now. I don't even have the exchange open. By the way, our affiliated exchange is Weeks. If you want a great exchange to trade on, over 400 trading pairs, great sign-on bonuses, as well as deposit bonuses. You guys can check the link in the description. Yeah, do that. Make your account today. All right. We're going to look at big time right now before we look at anything else, because I don't want to forget big time doing something bad. Big time problems here. That's what I'm seeing there. Let's go out to your daily, see what happened. Daily, you did not have enough strength to test your demand line. Didn't have the strength. Positive, though, it does look like you're coming in for a back test of this falling wedge. That's positive. So if you can come back down to, let's say, 13.73, find some support down here, that would be phenomenal, because then you have the possibility from there, let's just say it's right here, 31% upside to hit that demand line. So big time's not looking bad, but you are finding a lot of resistance at this 15.541 level. So you're kind of in a wait and see mode. We're going to have to see what happens tomorrow morning, what Wall Street decides to do, if they're going to continue to try and sell off, or if they're going to actually like buy it up. We don't know. We actually have no idea. So keep that in mind. Yeah, your 1 hour is ready to dump. Stochastic is high, traded sideways to get there. This thing's ready to leg down, and you could be seeing a move of like 11% to the downside for big time. It is possible. It is possible. And of course, you have this trend line that's also holding you down. So two things are holding you down here. That's not great. That is not great. Even worse, you hit your 618, and now you're starting to go. So let's just use the fib level, and you could see a 7.84% drop. So simply better. That's what I see out of big time. I'm seeing the pullback. Can I look at Spectral? Is that a stock or is that a crypto? What is that? We got to look at Kaspa first. No problem, simply. No problem. Kaspa. Where are you, Cass? There you are. Kaspa's... Come on, Max. You're just mad Kaspa's not pumping to the moon, huh? It still held its support. You're good, bro. You're good. Until you lose that green line. You're good, bro. Have not lost it yet. You do have a demand line sitting right overhead. You do have a high stochastic on the daily, but relative strength, you are sitting in the gutter. You just put in your second green candle on the daily MACD. This thing is ready for a rally. We just don't know when it's going to happen. Problem I see is Death Cross about to form. So maybe you see a weird wick down coming down here to this 10773 or even this, let's just say 10-cent level before you start going back up. That death cross could be a problem. Could be a big time problem. The fact that you're down sloping on the daily while resetting your stochastic, that's also a pretty big problem. So you're going to need to get that higher low. 4 hour. 4 hour, you're just getting out of the depths of hell. No big deal. Stochastic's pretty high. Relative strength, still in neutral territory. But you did retake your 50 simple moving average. That's a good start. Your 1 hour did retake its 200 simple moving average. So I would expect this thing to test the demand line if you can break out. Expect this 14.3545 level to be tested, and then a possible back test of the former demand line. So Caspa's still sitting okay. It's no big deal. No big deal. It has something to do with the agent's AI thing. What? I was just wondering if Spectral was a stock or a crypto. Tech Age. It's an AI coin. Okay. Spectral. Where the fuck is this thing? Hold on. Tech Age, you're killing me. We might need a $5 dono here. Spec. Kidding me, right? You're kidding me, right? Never mind, we're good. I gotta search spec. Found it. Alright. You're bad, no big deal. Leon Bush, has anyone checked out the newest frog on the market, BB? My Matt Fury. It's the new Pepe Hoppy except nope, have not looked at it. What would you check GOAT on Solana? It's dumping right now. Sorry for fat. Sorry my fat. What? I'm gonna need you to slow down when you type. I'm gonna just need you to slow it down, buddy. I've never heard of somebody say sorry my fat. That's yeah. All right. just take a second. Just take a second. Also, after last night, we're implementing it. If I need to go on to Deck Screener for your random meme coin, $5 dono. $5, I'll go over there. Otherwise, I'm not looking it up. I'm not doing it. I refuse. Deal. Fat fingers. Makes sense, yeah. No decks. Okay. Just saying, if I can't find it on TradingView, not going to Deck Screener unless there's a $5 dono. I'm putting my foot down. I'm putting my foot down. Last night was like AIDS for me. It was really bad. All right, Spectral, you are hitting overhead resistance right now. You're at it. You're there, bro. You're also putting in hidden bearish divergence on the daily. That's not great. That hidden bearish divergence, that's not fun. So you can see a high in price, higher high in price, much lower strength, not only in your relative strength, but also in your MACD. And then we're seeing the volume fall off as well. This is primed for a pullback. Tech Age, primed for a pullback. Nice thing, you have a lot of support right underneath you. The fact that you were hitting it so many times here, not breaking through, you pushed through it once, you found resistance, and you got through it this time. You're just expecting it to bounce off either the 883 or the 850. Time to buy then. Wait, what? You mean short? Time to short. Yeah. I can wait for a pullback. Yes, wait for the pullback, wait for your indicators to reset, but let's check the lower time frames. Now your 4 hour is giving you some weird data here. Your 4 hour is giving you a completely different outlook than your daily. Completely different. Your 4 hour is basically saying, hey, there's a possibility we can go up. Possibility. I'm not saying you will. I'm just saying the possibility is there. You do have a supply line right here as well. Oh, look at that. As I said, could possibly go up. It's trying to break out right now. Look at that. So yeah, your 4 hour, it's basically resetting while you're trading sideways. That's a good sign normally. Checking out the 1 hour. Yeah, your 1 hour wants to break out. It really does. So 1 hour is trying its damnedest to break out. And if you do break this level, your next target's 1351. You could actually negate the hidden bearish divergence that could be forming, or it could just go much higher. So we're gonna have to see if you do get a break. If it does break, you want it to hold support. You really do. It's probably something weird like your 15-minute pushing it. Yeah, your 15 minutes pushing it up. So this, and you're getting really tight moving averages. This thing definitely has the possibility of going up. And if you wanted to do it just from a fib level type thing, if you wanted to be in a nice short-term trade, you'd be looking to get up to 10.99.6 because you are uptrending. You went sideways. You're looking for another little high. So yeah, this is actually a really interesting one. Really interesting. You could see a nice 8.26% rise. However, you do need to stay above these lows here at the 50% retrace, sitting at 960. So long as you can stay above those, actually, considering you're uptrending again, if I was trading it, I wouldn't want it to drop below this wick right here at 985.3. So you could have a nice tight stop loss, and it would let you know if you're pulling back or not. But yeah, this one's interesting because you are pressed up against resistance, and it's trying its darndest to break out right now. Looks pretty darn decent. Wow, this is amazing how early it is. Sorry, I got on really early today because I want to spend a little time with the wife and daughter before bed, and yeah. No, did I say that? But we were like at the park right before this. But you know, we work. It's terrible. Can I give you another? Of course. But I think I also need to check out GOAT for Phoenix. Hey, hold on. Phoenix, is GOAT on Dex Screener? Because if so, I'm not looking at it. Nope, it's not. We're good. We are good. It is dumping. Holy moly. Where did I look at this thing before? What, Gate.io? Probably. Yikes. Dumping hard. Where did I look at this thing last time? Alright, I'm just looking at MXE, whatever. Oh, this is that weird chart. Yeah, this is that weird chart. Hold on. What day is this? October 14th. Do we have the same data here? What day is this? October 17th. MEXC got it before Gate.io? Who would have thought? That's crazy. Yes, GOAT is dumping, and it's dumping hard. You have virtually no support. You have no support, so it could free fall wherever it. Yeah, you just. So this is the problem with brand new tokens. If you're gonna look at your support and resistance, your major support and resistance, this is what you got. So it's just like that other guy who came in and was like, "Oh, you got to look at my little S coin. Time to buy." I'm like, "Fuck that. It has like 64% downside before you can even consider getting it." Oh boy. Leon Bush. Wow. So this was your weekly candle high close. You not only tried to hold it as support, now it's forming resistance. Yikes. Yeah, this thing could dump pretty damn hard. Holy shit. You're gonna look for support all the way down here? That's where you're trying to get support. So this thing still has another 29% downside. That is crazy. That is actually crazy. Let's check the 1 hour. Let's. Oh, this thing has some juice. Oh no. Oh no. Even if you come up, you have a demand line. This looks terrible. Oh, we're gonna put a ray on this. This thing's gonna have some trouble getting back up. Oh no. But this is what happens on your first dump. So you have anywhere between 29 to, let's see, 71% downside for GOAT. I guess it's not the greatest of all time. Guess it's not. That sucks. Let's check the 15-minute. Alright, your 15-minute does look like it's trying to lose steam of selling, so whoever is dumping this thing so hard, maybe they're going to allow you to try and buy it, hit a resistance before they dump again. But, wow, this thing is just going down. And it's trading on MEXC, so people are probably shorting it too, which makes it even worse. That makes it so much worse. Can we do that here? What? This is... We can... Oh, no. Oh, no. Wish you bought Solana instead of SHIB. I'd be up right now. Yeah, Solana had a very good weekend. We can short this thing. What's BTC dominance gonna... when's it gonna plummet? It already started pulling back, but plummet? I don't know. I have no idea. I can't tell you the future. Shit, we were supposed to look at SHIB. Who asked for SHIB? Who let me get away with not looking at SHIB? Oh my god. We were supposed to look at Shiba Inu like a day ago. Jesus. You guys got to remind me of this stuff. All right, we're gonna revisit. Actually, I need to add GOAT to the watch list because I can short this thing right now. I can short this thing right freaking now. You know what? Yep, we're doing it. We're gonna short this thing right now. There's no way I'm passing this up. The 71% downside possible. Yeah, we're doing that. Why am I on the long side? We're shorting it. I'm just going to go with like a 15x, maybe. Yeah, 15x. We're shorting this thing. Shorting the hell out of it. I mean, we're below all supports and everything. Yeah, we're diving into the short right now. Just head first, diving in. What's our liquidation price? I don't know. This thing's fluctuating though. Even if you catch a bounce, what? 24? Jesus. Can I just do a percentage? Can I? I just want to do a percentage. Yes. Okay, cool. Let's just go with a 55. Yeah, that. Alright, we can get stopped out instantly. It's fine. It's fine. I see this thing going down so fast. What was that stop loss number? Shit. It's going green. What was that stop loss number? 21.98. 21.98. Jesus. Oh god, we're gonna stop out instantly. Yeah, we're getting stopped out. Oh, give me 1 second, guys. 1 sec. Alright, I'm back. Aw, man, we got stopped out. I thought it was a good trade. That's why we have stop losses, everybody. Too bad. So, if we can get a back test, you know what? No, I'm going to set an alert up there. If we can get a back test, oh my god, that'll be great. Yeah, because this thing can actually keep going down. If we do get that back test, bearish back test, 39 to, let's see, 75% downside. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. All right, we checked out GOAT. I don't know what this other one was. BB? Let's check out SHIB real fast, and we'll check out BB, and then we'll move on. So, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu finding a lot of resistance off of its 200 daily moving average. Let's get rid of this. But you are holding your local levels of support. The fact that you did pull down and you found support off this 1842 level so strongly looks good. So I'm still expecting 2117 to play out. We're going to see if it does. We will see. But it's looking pretty good for that. Let's check out the 4-hour. You're still not overbought on the daily. 4-hour looks like it does want to rally up. You're still uptrending. So, no point in being mad about it not moving as fast as Solana, but it's still just chugging along, trying to get up to resistance. No big deal. If you do break that 2117, you're now looking at 2677. So, Shiba Inu still looks perfectly fine. And remember, you did break out of this giant falling wedge, and your real target is all the way up here at 3906. So it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Checking out BB. BB. Is it BB Dog? Is that what this is? Or is it just BB on Tether? Leon? Which one is it? New Pepe Hoppy Fit. What? Some form of frog. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I hope it's not that. Because that looks terrible. This looks terrible as well. Which one is it? Moving that slow. WAP coin? WAP. What? Ew. You want to check out WAP? Okay. Sure. Why not? Is this the BB token? I don't... Leon? Is this the one you were talking about? I don't even know. Cardi B's coin? Yeah, I figured. I figured. Goat's still bouncing. Goat is still bouncing. Why isn't this thing updating? Huh. Awfully strange. Am I gonna have to actually just look at chat like this? Hold on. Let's get a pop out chat here. Pop out chat. There we go. Bring this up. Bring out the pop out. having some weird technical difficulties. Alright, I got both chats up. Now I can see everything a little better. I don't know what's going on with my Streamlabs, but it's not giving me chat that fast. Oh, there it is. I got the chat now. But, God, that was taking a while. It's like I can see the chat when it moves on YouTube. I just can't see it on Streamlabs as fast. So I'm like, what the heck is going on here? CTX going down. BTC. Oh yeah, BTC's pulling everything down. It's actually called that. This thing's brand new. Brand new. Oh boy. So Seth, I'm not sure what you want me to tell you about this because there's like no data. You're in a range. If you can break said range, 3501. That's what you could think it. 3549 maybe. I don't know. I can't really do much with this. Not gonna lie, can't do much. Even on your 4 hour, it's doing nothing. It's actually doing nothing. So, I'm sorry I can't give you more info on this. It's doing nothing. Nothing at all. Alrighty. Conflux. CTX. Why am I going so far away? Why? I'm the C's. No, it's not Conflux CFX. What's CTX? I don't even know what CTX is. Yeah, that chart. Yeah. Coin's cooked. What's this? I thought you said CTX was going down. Am I looking at the wrong coin? Nope, it's the only CTX out there. Do I go off USD? Oh, maybe it's this one. Same thing. Alright, we're good. Let's go to the weekly. Max, what you talking about? It's doing just fine. Doing just fine. I don't like these levels. I'm not a fan. I don't like these levels. I really don't like these levels. What the hell? Suck. Okay, so you're above resistance. That's good. Or support. Sitting above support. Checking out your daily. Daily, you're getting a rounded bottom here. Not bad at all. So I would expect this thing could rally. Your relative strength showing in neutral territory. You probably need to consolidate more to reset your stochastic. Probably need to consolidate more. I don't know for certain, but it's a probability. Your 4 hour, you're getting into that overbought territory. You are setting higher lows though, so as long as you can maintain the higher lows, great, but this one's sitting in a weird spot, if I'm gonna be honest. Sitting in a weird spot. I like that you have the higher lows going for you. I mean, even back here, you got a low, higher low, higher low. You lost your higher lows here, but that seems like it was a liquidity grab before you started pushing back up. If you do rally, considering you are above your support level, if you rally, you could be seeing 37 to 38% upside. So maybe 38% upside could be happening for you. So CTX does not look bad. I don't know why you said going down. Are you looking at like the 1 minute? I don't understand. I don't get it. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Alright, so I posted in Discord. I was talking about coins that you need to look at. Keep it on the radar. C98. We're going to go out to the weekly here. You're going to see exactly what I saw. So, let's get rid of these things here. Let's get rid of it, get rid of it, get rid of it. So you can see you've had a downtrend here. You've also had a downtrend right here. You have your level of support from back here. You fell below it. Now you got back into it. Not only did you do that, but on the weekly, you did have this demand line that you have now broken out of. So the fact that you are so very low and you finally broke your weekly downtrend, I am expecting some moves to the upside. I'm expecting some big moves to the upside. So we do have some levels of resistance that we could see on the way up, kind of like there and there. But I mean, that's kind of it. If you want to mark this one, you can, but usually it just blows past it anyways, so you're not really going to worry about that. So I would say this little pocket right here could pose an issue, but wait till you see the percentage to get up to that little pocket. From where you're sitting right now, that is a 59% upside move. Thank you. Oh, I have... Okay. Thanks. Appreciate it. Now, let's just say you got buck wild and you just did what you did here and you shoot straight up. This thing could go 128% upside. 128%. This is why we keep our eyes on things like this. Do we have my favorite thing ever? No, we don't. Okay, we do not have it. Let's go out to your daily. Your daily's leaving a lot left to be desired. Just because, yes, you have higher lows. That's great. Low, higher low, higher low. But you're higher on your stochastic. You're in the bullish control zone already. I would love to see this thing reset. So considering the last time you tried to hold this level of support, you fell below it. I would actually really welcome this thing coming back down to 1270, hold support, and then go up. I would settle if we stopped right here at these candle high closes on the daily at 1309. I would settle for that. Let's go down to your 4 hour. 4 hour looks like you're due for a pullback, so that's perfectly fine, and you're overextended on the 4 hour. So if we could get this pullback, get this drawdown, that would be really nice. So drawdown, we're looking at the possibility of only about a 6% drop. It's not too shabby. Looks pretty nice to me. So yeah, that's what I see out of C98. It is set, primed, and ready for a lot of upside. However, you are finding some resistance right now. And once you break out, sayonara. You might see something crazy just like you did on ApeCoin, just like you did on API3, also on ARPA. All three of those had tremendous days. A tremendous day. So yeah, we could see the same thing happening. Another one to keep on the radar is Chiliz right now. So Chiliz, about an hour ago, looked way better. Now it's pulling back with the rest of the market. But if we do fall below this, we're looking to find some support at 704. If we get below that, 663. We're going to find out where the support is. But your 4 hour, it was completely ready to go. We still have 42 minutes for it to hold support as a formal back test. I think Bitcoin's going to keep pulling back, so this thing will probably keep going too. We did have this nice downtrend level of resistance. We broke out once. We're coming down. Maybe we find a higher low, then we can get moving up. Can we look at Pi, please? I want to see the stochastic RSI looking like on the weekly. Yeah, we can check that out. So we did have one low here. Second low. It was making me think it was a double bottom as we started moving up. The opportunity of a higher low is still here. But if we lose that level, well, all bets are off. It's going down. It's going down hard. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing out of Chiliz. But on the upside, because I am expecting the uptrend to continue, we're looking anywhere between, well, from where we're sitting at the moment, 40% is where I think it'll go. But on the lower end, 26% upside. It looks good. Looks good in my eyes. Looks really good. We're going to look at Pi. Pi. USDT. Weekly RSI. Your weekly stochastic not looking fantastic, but your relative strength, you're just in neutral territory. You're sitting pretty. You also managed to you got a weekly candle close below this level, but now you're breaking right back above it. Back to $41. So yeah, your stochastic, you're about to get a bearish cross if price does not go up. Bearish cross if price don't go up. So that's Pi. That is the Pi network. All right, we're going to get into the segment of the stream where we all enjoy looking up memes, looking up random degenerate plays, and we're going to look at it the way that I like to look at them. So we look at our good old handy dandy CoinGecko, because CoinGecko normally lists them first. Trending new. I don't want trending. I want new. Where? Shit. I saw it the other day. Categories. Gainers, losers, trending. Nope. I want new. Recently added something. Where's that tab? This is turning into the hardest thing to find. Highlights. There we go. In the highlights section. How is it so hard to find highlight? There it is. Highlights. That's where I'm going to look every time. New coins. What the fuck is that? All right. So this is the segment in which we all get to see what I like. So right off the bat, we see this one was listed 3 hours ago. I don't know what this is called. Don't know what it is. We're just going to look at it. Good evening, Stefan. What is up? What is up? So this one is based on Solana. Pretty nice. Let's check the website. As we check the website, we just see a girl wearing a hijab. And anybody who wants to argue, you don't know if it's a girl. That particular there are men and women. So, you know, is what it is. Your favorite Saudi queen would totally approve of. Yeah, I'm not going to try and read that. Anyways, the site looks pretty clean. I like the site. These look like AI-generated images, though. I'm happy to see Casper rise up. See, Stefan, you need to start rubbing off some of that feel-goodness over onto Max, because, you know, Max is mad about it. You know. But yeah, clean-looking site. Not much on here, though. Not very much. It's like home, right. So yeah, just stands as a symbol of empowerment, amplify the voices of women everywhere, inspired by the strength, this token. Okay, I don't like this token already. All right, we move on. So one big thing when I'm looking at meme coins, I want to laugh instantly. I want to see a clean chart. Then I'm going to check out your Twitter. Not a chart, sorry. Laugh instantly. A team. I want to see a team. And then I also want to see, like, it has a Telegram, it has a Twitter, it has a community, it has things going for it. That's what I'm looking for. So, let's see. Wispy. No idea what this is. Wispy. Let's go ahead and check the website. Will it make me laugh? Nope. It's supposed to be a ghost, I guess. Wispy. Boo! I turn fear into even more fear. Okay. Wispy loves sneaking. Cool. Yeah, you kind of lost me already. We're going to give it the benefit of the doubt. Let's check its X account. You do have a Telegram. You have 4,500 followers. So they probably bought their followers. That's fine. Oh, we have the contract address right there. It's pretty good. So you have 82 comments. This is their pinned comment here. 82 comments, 3.8 thousand likes. This is some pretty good engagement. I do like that. Now let's see off one of their regular posts. 24 comments, 28 likes. This right here. When you see random things like this where it's very low numbers, not bought and paid for numbers, that's oh shit. All right, so this particular post talking about they're getting close to an exchange listing, that's positive. They're actually working. That's good. Going for an exchange listing. I like that. Now, since I see they're going to try and get an exchange listing, I want to look at their chart. I now want to look at their chart. Let's see how their buys and sells are going. So, wait, can I just... Oh my god, did they make it that easy? They did! Wow. $208,000 market cap. Already had a major pullback. Hold on here. Hold on here. This is the stuff I like. This right here is what I like. So I like that they have liquidity at $94,000. That is fantastic. They have 3.07 thousand holders. Their 24-hour volume is still $28 million. That's impressive that it's that high. That's really impressive because your market cap is so darn low. All right, cool. You had your launch. You basically retested the price at launch, and you're finding support, which means the devs are not selling this thing off. Makes me happy. Makes me happy. Now, price range. I want to see how far off the highs you are. 284. So they didn't even get that much higher. So their market cap never broke $1 million. That's kind of a shame. Let's look at their buys and sells. So where's the actual dollar amount? Right here. I want to see, something like this. So $2,000 being sold, that gives me hope. I don't care about the buys, because the buys, meh. Could just people buying, selling, whatnot. $800, that's nice. When you're done eating? Okay. Was that your choice? Gotcha. Okay. Alright. So, this is the type of stuff I do like to see. When you have buys and sells going, that's awesome. Love to see that. And then one step further that I normally would go is like going on to their Telegram. And usually I'd try and like say, hey, what's the roadmap look like? View Telegram. Of course, I don't have it on my computer right now. But that's another step I would do. I normally am on my phone for that. And I'll just sit there texting away. But surprisingly, Wisp checks off a lot of boxes for me to consider getting this token. I didn't laugh, so I'm not that big of a fan, but its market cap alone and the fact that it already had its big pullback and it just stopped right where it started, that makes me extremely happy. I love it. It looks like it's now primed and ready to jump in. So that part makes me happy. Fluffy and BB on Dex Tools. Both of these projects are CTO that just happened. Cool. Awesome. All right. So yeah, looking at this stuff, it's actually pretty nice. I do like that. And yeah. Anyways, jumping into the next one that I would probably be looking at. So that's on the Solana network. Now I would probably be looking for Kaspa. Oh, people are actually building on Kaspa? Go figure. I didn't know that. How do you even interact with these tokens? Casper, the Ghost of Kaspa. I don't like that. Don't like that one bit. Fair launch community-driven token built lightning fast Kaspa network. Transparent supply. It's a pretty big supply. Gaining momentum. I don't like when they say they're gaining momentum before you're listed on an exchange. I don't like that. So they're going to have a Kaspa bot? You mentioned fair launch already earlier. Active development, innovation. I don't know if they're trying to be as much of a meme coin and more like a bot trading service. So between KRC 20 tokens. Are they a swap? What the fuck is this? What is this? Before price. What is this? I don't know what this is. Kind of bothers me. I don't know what this is. They have both a Telegram and a Discord. A little bit of overkill, but hey, we're here for it. 24.6 thousand followers. They're also following nearly 1,000 people. That's kind of cool. Check out Nacho F. Casper. Banana Republic, you're wild. So many meme all over. Oh, there's tons of meme coins everywhere. That's why whenever I look at meme coins, I like to go through all of this just because I'm like, is it worth it? Because once again, I still don't think that it's like a proper meme season yet. Oh, they're already listed on XT, CoinX, CoinGecko. Whoa, wait, they're already on CoinX? So, like, we can look this up. We can look it up. It's already listed. Shit. They're working. Who would have thought? That's wild. Didn't expect that. Brand new. 4 days old on CoinX Exchange. And all it's been doing is rallying. Cool. You can look it up. That's awesome. Alright, this one has hope. What's its market cap sitting at? Probably too high. Market cap 26 million. Too high. Too high. You could have gotten this one in the like 1 or under 10 million range. Probably would have been great because then you're looking for those 100x's. So either way, considering you just got listed on exchange, you have not had a severe pullback. I'd be waiting for that pullback. Be waiting for the pullback, but nice. All right. So, yeah, that's pretty much what I like to do when I look for these tokens. I like to just do some slight due diligence, but jumping into their telegrams and talking to the developers, getting a feel for the community, making sure the community is like not a bunch of jerks when you ask questions. That's usually like the best way to go in order to like feel okay about throwing some small money at it. But the fact that this is already on an exchange gives you a lot more hope. I'm sticking on with Turbo, Brett, Ponky, and I will get in 1 or 2 more. Nice, nice. I know when it comes time for meme coin season, I'm gonna I go crazy with memes. I really do. I will be dropping a bunch of videos about meme coins. I also will be using the Discord, and there's that whole section, S-Coin High Risk New Project, where all of a sudden I just have like Solana Chain, Sui Chain, AVAX, Phantom. I'll be dropping whatever meme coin it is in each one of those, so then you guys will see it right away. So it'll be like, hey, check this one out, check this one out, check this one out. But no, I'm only going to be posting up ones that I'm actually jumping into. I'm not going to be posting up random ones. Also, be prepared for the rug pulls, because as soon as meme coin season ends, the rug pulls start. And then it's like, oh, great, we're getting rugged. Again. It's like, yeah, done with meme coins again. That's the one thing I really hate about the meme coins. Unless you're in season, there's so many rug pulls. It's frustrating. Also, Banana Republic, I don't even know what Nacho is. So, yeah. Down with Caspa. Also, Leon, Fluffy, and BB. I was asking about BB, like, did I find the right chart for BB, or is it only on Dex Tools? I don't understand. Seth, what do I think crypto gets regulated? I don't really want it to be regulated. Only on DEX tools? That's too bad. Hey man, just tuning in now. Have I taken a look at FWOG yet? It's B pumping pretty good since BTC started moving up. Massive breaking for it on X. Sorry, we've already been talking about it. No, I've never heard of it. Or if ever. Yeah, Seth, I don't really want regulations on crypto because the more regulations that come out, then it's going to turn into just, oh, they're going to tax the ever-living daylights out of you. That's what I don't want. Nacho is another KRC20 token like Casper. Nacho is ranked number 1 KRC meme token by market cap. Nice. Nice. You know, I don't understand whenever people get tribal about meme coins, because as soon as the bull market is over, they're all dropping down to zero. They're all going down to zero. You heard it here live. They're all going to fall down. Bad. And anybody still holding the bag, good luck, because they're not coming back. Prime example. Last bull run, talk of the town. Greatest meme coin ever. I got 100x on it. SafeMoon. This thing, still $5 million market cap. Their version 2 was a complete just joke. It was a joke. That was them just trying to grab money. Still at a $15.8 million market cap. Absolute joke. Oh, Leon, sorry. I'm not actually pulling up Dex Screen anything without $5 donations. I was doing that all last night. I don't want to do it today. I really don't. So don't even donate the $5. I am not doing that. If you do donate the $5, I'll do it, but you know, I don't want to. My friend went from 120k on SafeMoon to 0. Exactly. Nailed it with the 69,400 call. Yeah, Rich. Told you. Leon, how do I send $5? Are we serious? You're gonna make me do that? God, it's in the pinned comments, but don't do that. Don't make me get on Deck Screener. It's messed up. Oh, so messed up. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, man. If you do the $5, I will do it. I put a dollar amount on there just to deter you. Like, especially because it's a meme coin on Dex Screener. I'm not nice about those. I'm really not. Have a good night, Max. I appreciate you stopping in. Dude, I live on Dex. Makes me feel insuperior. Wait, what? Were you trying to say inferior? You didn't know how to type it? So you just bought Ape and it's dropping? I was saying this earlier. Ape looks really weird because it looks like it can go up again. Ape looks really strange because it's like the rally could continue. As long as Bitcoin doesn't pull back too hard, the rally actually could continue. It's kind of scary. Autocorrect, got you. Son of a bitch. Are you serious? Alright. Who the fuck is trying to call me? Alright, what was the coin again? God damn it. Also, I forgot that was the anime shot. Thank you for your donation. What was it that we were looking at? Shit. Now I gotta go look it up. If only I waited 5 more seconds. Alright, Dex. Go in here. I better look it up. Fluffy. Fluffy. So, is it Fluffy Inu or just Fluffy Coin or... Post the address, people. Well, the address would just save time. I'm just wondering which Fluffy it is. This is the problem we were having last night. This is why I called it AIDS. It's on Solana, right? Is that what you said before? Dex tool. God damn it. Well, this one's on Solana. I'm wondering if this is the one. I hope this is the one. I don't know if it is. We're going to try it. Where's my search bar? Here we are. And that. Fluffy. Can't believe he did that to me. Alright, currently the market cap's at $24.83 million. After a very nice pullback, that's good. I really hope this is your mascot over here on the left. Is this the Fluffy? Hold on. Not the right Fluffy. See the problem we're having here? I need contract addresses. Golly. I'm more mad he made me look at it. Oh, man. No. Not that one. It's always never this one. Just, golly. Especially when I type in Fluffy, because there's like 4 options. Literally 4 options. Oh, okay, that works. What the hold on. You just sent 2 different... Oh, that's... Okay, got you. Got you. That I was totally on the wrong one. Alright, market cap sitting at $992,000. You had your launch and you had your pullback. This is actually really nice to see. No, not it. Yeah, you're late. So this is actually what you really want to see. Now that you're chopping around, this might actually be an area that you consider jumping in. It might even be an area to consider. Back down here was a much better option. I love the liquidity here. $125,000 in liquidity. You are almost at like a 1/5 to market cap ratio. Love to see that. Currently, you're seeing a lot of sell orders. You're seeing the 1,100, 500, the hundreds, $7,000. Jeez. So the fact that you're seeing sells like that and you haven't died yet, this is a very, very good thing. His chat is late. Yes, my chat is late. There's a delay, so bear with me, everyone. Anyways, on your daily, you are looking pretty darn solid here. You're going parabolic, though. You want to see a little bit more chop. No biggie. Let's go down to your 4-hour. 4-hour time frame. We're finding support, but we also broke the demand line that was trying to form. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Demand line was trying to form. You're breaking out of it. So now you're looking to continue the upswing if people are still interested in this asset. So you could see something kind of like this, which it would be a very modest upswing. Very modest. But it would be something like 90%. Super modest. But yeah, so this thing actually looks very good for upside. Now I'm going to have to check out their Twitter and stuff. Their Twitter and stuff. diffs. But yeah, as long as you can stay above that 1834, you're sitting pretty. You got a 102-minute delay. I'm here now. How's everyone's night? Welcome back. Welcome back. How you doing, Adam 500? Hopefully things are going well for you. Night's going pretty well. I still need to find a trade to get into while I go to sleep. We are just waiting about another 16 minutes before I even look for that, because that's when the 4-hour candle closes. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. But we are looking at 2 tokens because Leon decided to do the $5 dono to get me on Dex Screener. And here we are. But when I do this, I like to dive in. I like to dive in strong. All strong like. So let's check out this fluffy thing. It's on Ethereum? Go figure. I didn't know I could do that on CoinMarketCap. What is this? It's crazy. Actually, I can find the website here on Dex Screener, can't I? Can't I? No, I can't. Okay, cool. Awesome. At least we know it's some type of cat. I just want the website. That's really what I want. I want the website. Let's go over to CoinGecko. They probably got listed there. Fluffy, it's some ugly little cat. They're not even listed over here? Damn. I can't find their website, so I can't do any thoughts on that. That's cool. Hold on. Here we go. Here's their X. Alright, we got their X account. They have a Telegram. Nice. They have a website. Alright, we're going to check the website out. That cat is high as shit. Oh boy. Kind of funny. I like that. I like the funny. I like that it's under $1 million market cap. I do like that. So, you know, we're cooking with those. Who was this phone call? That's what I want to know. I don't even understand who tried to call me. It's such a weird hour, too. They didn't leave a message? Wait, what? No message? Don't call it weird times like that. Leaving me messages. Just terrible. Oh, is that why? Huh. Maybe that was why. Then 3 days. Okay. Cool. Awesome. Can it take on PopCat? The thing about meme coins, you never know. You never know, honestly. It all depends on the community. So the website looks cool and all. Supply is like crazy high. It's pretty basic. It's a basic meme coin. Love to see it. Tokenomics, did they make a joke about it? No taxes forever, no nonsense, liquidity pool burned, and contract ownership renounced. So they're saying all the things you want to hear. That's fine. Only 709 followers. This is probably one of your homegrown, completely organic tokens. They now are sponsoring YouTubers, at least one YouTuber. Let's see how many views that YouTube got. Let's see. Random Joe, sleeveless shirt, love it. Whoever this guy is, he's probably doing great. Over 1,000 views, very nice. In 2 days, not bad at all. So, yeah, this thing has a possibility of going somewhere. Love to see that they're marketing. Love to see they're getting the name out. So, yeah, I'm sticking to what I said. 90% upside probably can happen in the near future. Considering you did have a downtrend, you broke out of it, could be going up. All you got to do is stay above this 1834 level. Not too shabby. So yeah, Leon, those are my thoughts on this one. If it can take on PopCat, I don't know. Because I'll be honest, I don't look at PopCat. If I'm being for real here, I do not look at it. I saw that I could trade it on Weeks, our affiliated exchange. You can also trade it on Leverage. But I haven't looked at its chart, so I don't know. So that was Fluffy. Now let's get into BB on ETH. Also, the fact that these two are on Ethereum, that could hold it back. Because the fees on Ethereum are so dumb. The fees are terrible. It's the whole Matt Fury narratives. I never have paid attention to any of that, so that's cool. They have a narrative. BB looks very interesting. Every time somebody sells off, they set a higher high. That's great. You're going to expect the trend to stay the same, so usually what you're seeing is, let's see what this price range is. From top to bottom, 52% sell-off. From top to bottom, 66% sell-off. That is strange, but it did backtest a level of support. So, of course, we're going to just look at levels of support now. Look where levels of support could be. And we're on the 4-hour doing this, so could be subject to change based off the daily. Now, if we pull back and we do not hold this 1193, could be a little devastating. You could see a pullback all the way down to 7854. But you do have a higher low each time, which means there are more people buying into this thing than the last time. I do love that you're only at a $600,000 market cap. That's fantastic. You have $79,000 in liquidity. Very nice. Now I want to see these sells. Holy shit. They actually held up against a $3,900 sell. Can I look at Beam? Yes, I can look at Beam. I got you covered. So yeah, the fact that they could handle a $3,900 sell is fantastic. You got a few $300 sells here. You got another $3,000 sell. 1,000 here, 2,000 here. Yeah, so this thing has very solid liquidity. Love to see it. So if I was looking at this chart, I would wait to touch either one of these lines before I even considered buying. I would more want this line down here, considering what you did back here. You had a level of support, you came down, you chopped, and then you fell below it. So I would be looking at that, and if we do look at this tiny little trading range right down here, first time you fell down, you hit that tiny little trading range. Second time you fell down, you almost touched it again. So I would be looking for something in this area, even as low as this right here at 6578. Those would be the areas I would be looking to buy in. Other than that, let's go ahead and check out its Twitter. Twitter, 205 followers, super organic. Love to see that. Let's see the interaction off this. 33 likes, 18 comments. Not bad. They also are listing their deck screener. They're even showing you the chart. This is great. Love to see that. Funny picture. Okay, I'm in. Showing who the CTO is. Cool. They even paid for their blue check mark. That's that little icing on the cake you want to see. I don't see a website. So website to be announced? No, this is the website. Okay, sure. 0xbb69 is the website.
Hey.
Yeah.
What did you do to Orto?
What do you mean? I don't have a clue what you did to her toe. That was not there all day. I don't know. She was being a child? The boss came in. Baby hurt the toe. Can't have that. Alright, baby, the Blue Frog is back in CTO style, ready to dominate the bull run with his frog brothers, Pepe, Hape, Efe, Yeppy, and Jorgo. I can't say that last one. Alright. Solid meme coin. I like it. I would just be looking for a bit of a pullback. Everything about it, I like it.
Hey, did you see
No. Oh, when she turned it off? Yeah. All right, so that is BB. Hopefully, I answered what you wanted there, Leon. Looks pretty solid. Also, another thing, Goat is hitting a back test. We might have to check that out because Goat just gave me an alert. So yeah, Leon, hopefully that was worth the $5. Hopefully you got some good information. Anybody else who wants me to look at Deck Screener, it's $5. Definitely $5. If you can actually post the contract, that helps. But I like to do a little deep dive into it. They do have a Telegram as well, and you can just go straight to their website from Deck Screener. All right, yeah, cool. So that is nice to see. Both of which you definitely could be looking for your 100X, especially with it being on Ethereum. You could get the 100X. I pray for you on those gas fees. I pray for you on those gas fees. You just got a new subscriber, sir. Leon, I appreciate the sub. You are amazing. Thank you very much. We're still on the road to 1,000, everybody. If you guys can like the stream, subscribe, that'd be great. I'm definitely for profit. We will be monetizing as soon as we get to 1,000. I promise you that. But yeah. Anyways, let's jump on out of here. Let's go into Beam. Going to Beam. ApeCoin looks like it's about to go up. Just wanted to point that out. ApeCoin looks ready to continue the rally. Oh my god. Beam. Have not looked at Beam in a very long time. Can't wait to do this. So apparently the most trading volume is on Bybit for Beam. I don't know why I chose a daily. We got to go to the weekly. Weekly time frame. Oh, Beam's not looking bad at all. So on the weekly, you can see we do have this little pocket of support and resistance that we're inside of. That's phenomenal. You have a little bit of support down below it, right about there. Those are the areas we want to focus in on at this very moment in time. In reality, we'd probably be looking at this. Right there. So, Beam is on the cusp of a serious breakout. It is on the cusp. And since we are in pump season, be ready for this one. You can see you're being held down profusely by this 19516 level. Reverse head and shoulders. Yeah, you can say that. And this is on the weekly, which is a really big deal. Very significant time frame. Took a long time for this thing to play out. You are now setting your higher lows. This is even better. Even better. This is looking pretty darn decent. I'm not gonna say it any other way. Looking pretty darn decent. The fact you came up, hit, you back test, higher low, didn't even have enough to touch it. Dang, brother. I don't know when it's gonna break out. I repeat, I do not know when it's gonna break out, but when it does, it's going to be strong. You tried your 200 daily once. You're gonna try it again. Let's go down to your 4 hour. You are not overbought on the daily. However, you do have a high stochastic, meaning you're probably going to consolidate for a couple days, maybe a week. I don't know. You do have this sharper demand or supply line forming. You do not have anything showing that it's bearish, so the rally could start anytime. Thirsty. Is that 52-cent level for Ape support? Whatever line you saw that was straight, yes, it is support. Your 1 hour is resetting. This thing's going to try and rally sometime today or tomorrow. Sometime today or tomorrow, the rally could begin. Could, not certain. One thing you do have to realize is thanks to this peak right here on the 1 hour, this higher high, you had your hidden bearish divergence, came down, much higher high, still lower relative strength. So you do have hidden bearish divergence. If this comes down to your 1676 level, that would be the place where me personally, I would be looking for longs. But if you break out and you stay above 19516, then you could be considering going long. Areas in which you're looking to take profits, let's say you get up here, you're looking at 27% upside. let's say you get all the way up here, you're looking at 67% upside to the next hard target once you break out. So this is actually looking very interesting, very nice, and it has a very good possibility of going up. 15-minute wants to rally tonight. So that's kind of cool. Kind of cool. And it looks like you're finding a lot of support off this 1810 level. So we'll just mark that out real quick. I'm sure you'll be back tomorrow and we can check in on this bad boy. Yep. Yeah, you got above it. You hit it once. You came up. You hit it twice. The back test is always sexy. I love back tests. I love back tests. If you want to be in a little scalp trade tonight, you're going to look for the upside to continue. 7%. 7% if you stay above this level. You can have a very tight stop loss too. Stop loss right below this wick here at 18022. You have the possibility of making some money while you sleep. I like seeing those. I like seeing those. All right. Do we have any other requests? Any other requests? Dogecoin. Got you on the Doge. Got you on my Doge. The fuck is Doge doing? Did Doge not get the memo? Things are pulling back? Dang. What about StoreJ? StoreJ got wrecked, bro. StoreJ got absolutely wrecked. Alright, Dogecoin, it tried to pull back. The sellers could not pull it back. It is now trying to rally. You're still looking for that 18-cent level for Dogecoin. God, people are hyper bullish on Doge. Jesus. What? Your stochastic wants to go up for the 4-hour. You're not overbought anymore. What? You can go up tonight? Like tonight? Damn. Looking like the 1-hour is going to be the problem. The problem is the 1-hour, because you are putting in hidden bearish divergence, a lot of it. But you did have this pullback. It looks like you're trying to keep going up. Yes, that's where your take profit is. Nice. 18. Yeah, it looks like the 18 could be playing out sometime soon. Definitely looks like it could be playing out soon. Looking good. We're going to check out VET next, and then StoreJ. But yeah, Dogecoin, I like it. Thirsty. There was a lot of good trading today. These on Doge is easy. Everyone knows about it. Even people not trading crypto. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Now, I haven't looked at VeChain in a while. Also, I don't know if I have this chart charted. I don't. Oh, look at that. Damn, son. Look at that support. Okay. I like it too. Over 2K at this level. Sweet. Alright, well, VeChain's pretty easy. Next stop, you probably get into 3214. I don't know how else to spin it, but yeah. 3214, not really a wedge. You broke the downtrend. That's great. recently broke the downtrend. Very recent. Princess. Bubbles. Noodlefish. That's a lot. We are currently looking at Vet. And Vet is doing something very, very good. Rich. What is that? I don't know what that is, Rich. What is that? Anyways. Also, Rich, there's a $5 minimum if you're sending me to Dex Screener. Just saying. Oh, wait a second. Is that a... No, I don't know what that is. You don't need to do TA. Alright. Anyways. Going with daily. So the daily on Vet, you can see this. You hit it once. You hit it twice with a higher low. You broke above it. You held it as support. V-Chain about to do some things. So, currently, we have approximately 31% upside that it could be running. Now, going to your 4 hour. 4 hours getting a little bit hot, but you did retake the 200 simple moving average, which is great. It's just a funny meme. Gotcha. I couldn't see what it is. So I'm sorry. Thank you for not making me TA it. Appreciate you. Once again, I don't like Dex Screener. I really don't. But if you send me there, I'll do my best to give you some value. I will do my best. It's not many places these days where $5 goes a long way, alright? Not many places. Can I look at math in a second? Thank you. Yes, I can do that. Alright, so you can see the higher lows, the new supply line that you're getting. This is fantastic to see. So as long as we stay above this green level, we are good, we're golden, we're looking pretty. Now, going down to your 1 hour time frame, looks like the pullback's happening. You are in overbought territory, so keep that in mind. Overbought. Let it come down. Let it come down. Currently, what was acting as resistance and support this whole time was something around here. Hold on. Let me see this. Right there, 2379 was looking like it. Let's go out to the 4 hour for a little clearer look. A little more clear. Looking like that was the level right there. So, you can see I was interacting with this yellow line here. We are officially broken out of it. The longer you can stay above 2408, the better. If you can backtest it and hold it as support while resetting your indicators, that's going to be super bullish. And you could possibly see a 33.5% rise out of this bad boy. It might take a while because V-Chain usually doesn't move that fast. It kind of is what it is. But your 15 minute is showing signs that you are about to come down and test it. So that is great. Make sure you have an alert set for 2408 if it holds. If it holds. If it bounces, comes up, hits it again, and it holds, might be a good opportunity to take a long. Understand, though, you would still need a stop loss below these lows here at 2356. I mean, that's just at a bare minimum. Ideally, your stop loss is going to be at this 2199. Let's go back out to the weekly to see where this thing can go. If you broke that 3214 level, this thing could get nasty. You could see the price get all the way up to 8289. JMD, what is up? How you doing? Welcome back. Appreciate you for coming. You would see a little bit of resistance on your way up, probably in this trading range here. This trading range might cause you some problems, so keep that in mind. But if you're a swing trader, considering the last time you broke this level, you shot straight up here before you backtested as support. And last time you lost this level, you came down to these two levels here. You backtested bearishly, then you fell straight down. So swing traders out there, you're going to be waiting for the possible move of 246%. Hopefully that helped you both out that are looking for vet. That's what I see out of the chart. VeChain looking really good because you are on a fresh breakout. And you are setting a brand new supply line. So, let's see how it holds. No problem. BTC looking good for a breakout. Finally, GDM. It did break out. We had a weekly candle close breakout. It is official. It is in the books. We are broken out. Anyways, checked out VeChain. Let's go ahead and check out some math. Math token. Did I look? I forgot where I looked at it at. Was not MEXC. It was this one. Oof. You found your resistance. Oh no. You lost the support. Oh no. Very simply put, Adam, you are looking to backtest something. It could be literally any of these three levels. Literally any of them. Mina, we can check out Mina next. I need to confirm BTC close above 69,225. Then I can say that. Oh, here we are. Here we are. Now you're like, hey, it was $5 off, bro. I can't say that. Serious JDM. We'll look at Bitcoin after we check out Mina. So math out here, looking for a pullback. You are in overbought territory for the weekly, just barely. You're in overbought territory. Just kind of is what it is. You had a nice run. You had a nice run. Checking out your daily, super overbought, looking to pull back, just looking for that pullback. No big deal. You're rejecting pretty strongly off this level. What is that level? Oh my goodness, you stopped in the middle of nowhere. You stopped in the middle of nowhere. Now, what normally happens on this, you reset indicators, you set a lower high, and that lower high is where you would be taking your profit. You don't do it right this moment. Just normally you don't do it right now. You wait for the lower high, and then you make your decision. Because this thing definitely could do some hidden bearish divergence, go up, hit your hard target, and then roll over. The possibilities are endless. But let's go ahead and drop down to your 4 hour. 4 hours resetting. Here's what I'm talking about. 4 hour stochastic reset. You're almost in neutral territory. This means you could see a rally tomorrow. It's possible. It is possible. Checking out the 1 hour. 1 hour is looking desolate, looking terrible. It's starting to round right here. That's not fun. It's not fun. Like if this was a birthday party, you're leaving early and you're taking your gift back. It doesn't look great. But let's go ahead and check out the demand line here and how it's interacting. So you can see with this, you're just kind of downtrending here, looking for a next low, which kind of too bad. Kind of too bad, especially considering you had this great support here that you broke through. Maybe it holds, maybe it doesn't. There's a lot in the unknown factor here because you lost this level. So needless to say, if Bitcoin has a mild pullback, I'm guessing math is going to have a big pullback. Coming back down to this level down here, because that's where your support is, and you kind of just broke through it. And I think on the daily, you never tested it. No, you did test it. Okay, so yeah, maybe you see a nice little rally in the coming hours today or two, and then you can go from there. 15 minutes trying its darndest to reset. It's just you did lose all of your moving averages. So this one's still kind of up in the air. What you really want to see is a break of this downtrend and then where you find support. Wherever you break this downtrend, whatever the low is, that's where you're going to look for very strong support. So you're in a waiting game for math. You're in a waiting game. Kind of is what it is. CAS. We can look at CAS again. We'll do that. Checking out Mina next. Mina is going crazy on the 15 minute. Breaking resistance. Okay. Mina's a weird one because it can pump. And when it pumps hard. Like hard. It's wild. But it can do it. It can do that. This is a big time breakout. Big time breakout. What do I think about Dogecoin? Dream tanks. We're looking for Dogecoin to hit 18 cents. Appreciate you. Thanks. No problem, Adam. No problem at all. All right, so checking out Mina. Mina is breaking out very, very important resistance right now. Because anytime you're above this level, automatically you either stop at, well, $0.0061. Okay, legit. Thank you so much. No problem. Dream Tanks, no problem. But yeah, the target for Doge, we looked at it twice today. It's 18 cents. So just, if you're already in the trade, be patient. Be patient. You got this. So yeah, we have two targets for Mina. Because over here, you popped up, you came back down. This time, you could just pop up, come back down. We don't know. But that's a 60% rise you're looking for Mina. On your weekly, you are just now getting into neutral territory. Stochastic being high does not matter. Checking out the second level you'd be looking for, it is a 160% upside move. Now, these are out for the swing traders out there. The breakout is here. You are here. You don't have the weekly candle or the daily candle close yet above, so cautiously optimistic. Daily has room to run. Stochastic's a little high, relative strength a little high, but you do have room to run. Considering what I saw today out of ApeCoin, API 3, and Aspera or some nonsense, this thing could rally this 60% tonight, and we'll be like, yep, meme coins are popping. Meme coins are popping. We have a very shallow supply line that we just ran away from. So that's alarming. Because if it does pull back, a lot of downside. A lot of downside could happen. But on your daily, we do have these smaller levels of support that you would be looking to hold. So the lowest one is right there. The higher one is right here. So, as long as we stay above one of these two levels, we're good. We're good. Going out to the 4 hour, see what kind of legs this thing has. You're pretty high in the 4 hour, so you're looking for some consolidation. Pretty high in the 4 hour on the relative strength. Stochastic's high, so you're looking for some form of consolidation. Your 1 hour, it says, we're going to party. I mean, that's all I can say. It's the frat boy of the time frames right now. 1 hour is like, let's do this. So, what you're going to be looking for is not only this break, but you want the back test. Once you hit that back test, make sure all your indicators are reset. Otherwise, you're going to see a little bounce and then another test. On that second test, if everything is reset on that point, 60% upside is what you're looking for. So, Mina looking pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. And I think you're about to hit your fib retracement level, or your fib level on this trade. Yeah, you're about to hit it. So, I don't have much to say about getting into a trade on this thing right now, but, you know, it looks good. It's breaking out. That's what I like to see. Mina. That is Mina for you. We got to check out CAS. We got to look at Bitcoin first, then CAS. Because somebody was talking some crap about Bitcoin. Not having it. So, on the weekly candle close. The weekly candle close was... We're going to zoom in on this. We're getting down to the cent. Mr. Picky. $69,032. JDM? For real? For real? You're not gonna call that a confirmed break. You're gonna tell us live on stream. I need that 69 too, bro. You're like, we need that $200. All right, that's important. It's important. I mean, I would understand if you're like 69,637. If we get a close above that, great. All time highs. Here we go. I'm in the same ballpark, but brother. You're like, we were $200 off, man. Also, another good thing, we did hit the 69,400 and we hit 69,510. I was calling 69,440. You heard it here for days. All right, you heard it here for days. We called it. All right. Hey, all the new chatters in here. Hello. Welcome in. All the new people who are just watching me shake around my butt for Schmeckles. What's up? How you doing? Welcome in. Hopefully you guys enjoy the stream. Hopefully you guys find a little bit of value out of this. If you do, please drop a like on the stream. It does help me out a lot. And we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Drop the sub. Drop the sub. You're already here. Just do it. Just click on it. Anyways, enough of my shilling of subscribe to my channel. Also, wow, I think next time I'm just not even going to stream on Twitch. Because, bro, Twitch is it's just not there. It's just not there. It's crazy. Alright, yeah, I think we're just going to solely be YouTube streaming from now on. Holy. Anyways, I will decide that later. I also need to spruce up the stream a little bit, but it is what it is. What did I need to look at next? Caspa. There you are. So, Caspa is sitting here going through its paces, paying its dues. Yeah, anyways. You're looking high on your stochastic. You are extremely low on relative strength. I mean, super low. What I would like to see, if I'm being completely honest, I would love to see Caspa come back down here to this supply line, touch it one more time. Give me some confirmation. I get that confirmation, well, now I'm going to expect to go all-time highs. I literally get confirmation, I'm expecting all-time highs. And that is not a joke. But if we can't get that confirmation and we fall a little bit lower, we have these lows right here sitting at somewhere in the 10-cent range where we have support. Somewhere in that 10-cent range. But, yeah, no, Caspa's looking fine. You're just getting held down right now, especially on the daily. Let's go out to your 4-hour. 4-hour, you're in neutral territory and relative strength. High stochastics, so we could have a bit of consolidation. No big deal. PNG pumping. I don't know what PNG is, but okay, cool. Thanks, Todd. Checking out the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour is trying to reset. So I would expect this thing to test either the demand line in the near future or overhead resistance. That would be good if we at least tested overhead resistance, but it would still be very nice if we can come down here, get some confirmation. So either or I'm okay with, but looking pretty decent. Oh, by the way, guys, if you could do me a huge favor, and if you do enjoy all this stuff, and say you have requests in the future, Discord is a great place to be. And here's a link for the Discord, because you all should join it, and drop your favorite meme in the meme tab. My meme tab it's looking sparse. We're looking for more memes. Anyways, PNG is pumping. Alright. By the way, Dream Tanks TV, he did ask for Doge. I'm going to go back to Doge real quick. Take a look at it real fast. So Dogecoin, you can see we are consolidating while being broken out of this consolidation pattern. It would not be out of the cards to see it pull back down and touch somewhere around this 12,876 level. But hard target, you're looking at 18,124. Hard target. So this is what I'm looking at for Doge. Your lower time frame, like 15-minute, says we could rally tonight, but it's the higher time frames that are giving you an issue. I want to do a 20x long on CAS, but like you said, a retest would be great. Exactly, Rich. I'm glad you are seeing what I'm saying all the time. We want the confirmation that is support. When it tests something one time and it takes off, you basically get to look at it and be like, oh, good job, bro. Have fun. Later. You want better probable odds that you will go in the direction you are betting. So, the better the odds, the better the trade. We have to look at GOAT. Is this thing still going up? Hold on, we can look at it right here. Still going up. GOAT is recovering. GOAT is recovering. We're going to check out GOAT. This is my personal, I want to check it out. GOAT. And then we're checking out we're checking out PNG. And then we're checking out GOAT. Pangolin? A pangolin? Yeah, definitely pumped. It's up 16%. Pumping hard. we have even a learning experience out of this, or is this something tiny, new? Oh my god, the wicks. Oh my god, the wicks. Ew. This thing just moving randomly? Come on. Well, looks like you found some support right there. That's great. And you got some resistance overhead. Alright. Cool, cool. Love it. Oh. So you're range bound. Sweet. Alright. So, on the weekly, you can see you are range bound like crazy. But, damn, you had a lot of sell pressure. Holy. Maybe next week you're going to get your first green candle on this bad boy. You're down 40% on GOAT. But I like this pump. Okay, alright, alright. We're going to check out GOAT next because I want to short it. So, sorry. GOAT has a lot of downside if it keeps going down. Oh, so much downside. Anyways, yeah, this PNG looks weird. It's breaking above its moving averages. That's great. You are holding support very strongly. So I just have to think you're going to go up to 34.61. If you can break 34.61, you're looking at 39.33. Going down the 4 hour. Straight up. So, I mean, the place to get in was when you tried to break down here. So the little fake out to the downside here, because now you're moving. So PNG, interesting little move. Looking to get that 34.61. Not bad. All right, we're checking out GOAT. The GOAT. Oh shit, it broke out. Wow, look at that. That is a breakout. I don't blame you. A short is looking good now. I mean, hold the phone here. That is crazy. I mean, yes, we do have this level that could pose as a resistance, but you broke your demand line. Look at this wick. Bro, that's a wick right there. Holy shit. I didn't realize the 4 hours dragging its butt on the ground. This thing could go. Whoa. It's up 24%, dude. That's wild. I wish we were staring at GOAT this whole time. Damn, that wick. That wick. You shot right out of it. Holy shit. This happened within the last 2 hours while we've been live. This happened since we've been live. That is craziness. So now we're looking for this right here. If I looked at this as soon as I got that alert, we could have gotten in on this long. Throwing that out there. Could have done that. But now we want a back test. So is what that is. Sheesh. That's a lot of buying pressure. And you're not overbought on the 15. It can continue running. It can still go. Well, that is one hell of a breakout. That's impressive. That is actually impressive. I was talking my shit, talking about like, hey, you can go down 39% from here. You can go down 75%. You want to know what everybody said? They're like, screw that. We're going up, baby. And went up they did. That is wild. Holy moly. But yeah, actually right this moment, you could short it because you're at resistance. Long support, short resistance. Long support, short resistance. If you break out, darn it. But let's check your 5 minute. 5 minutes kind of cooked. Kind of cooked. Looks like whales taking positions. Thirsty, maybe. Maybe. You never know. But you're currently up 25% in no time. So, could keep going, could stop. I don't know. Usually what this means to me, we don't touch it. But a short might be the play. Because you're already up 25%. I mean, what more could you want? Your 5 minute needs to reset also. That alone. You're like, hey, maybe we get a back test. Maybe. What's your downside from here? If you get that back, 20%. If you get that back test, it is a 20% drop from where you're at right now. If you break above, hold support, well, you can keep going up. GOAT looking very, very interesting. You have this crazy bearish candle here, and then this crazy buyback. Jeez. Still down 30% on spot. Damn, Rich, where'd you buy this thing? All-time highs? Sheesh. That is wild. All right. Well, everyone, we have looked at so many different things. Now I need to see what trade I can jump into tonight. Let's see if Chili's or C98. C98 is the trade of the evening for me. C98. That's where we're going. C98. There we go. We're gonna go with we're just gonna go with a nice little 15% leverage or 15x leverage. No big deal. Gonna mark it into this bad boy. Go long. C98. I like it. I like it a lot. Not gonna talk about it much more, but we did break. We did back test. We are finding our upswing going. The 1 hour's ready to push us up. Now, on the very short term, we could be seeing a rally up to this level, which is about a 12% rise. But you know what? We're going big on this one. We're looking for this 59%. 22.32 wasn't my best decision. Is what it is, brother. Is what it is. You're not going to win them all. You're not going to win them all. But that breakout's a big deal. You can get anywhere between 59 and 128% move. ARPA went crazy today. It went actually crazy today. So there's that. Wasn't it created by an AI? I have no idea. I know Turbo. The rumor is Turbo was created by an AI. I don't know if anything else was. I want a stop loss right here. 13.72 would be good. Let's see where my liquidation is. 13.4. We can do it. 13.72. That's all I want. 0.1372. It's about a 45% loss if that happens. No big deal. Take profit. We're going to go for the whole kit and caboodle because I don't know what could happen out of this. So we're going to put our take profit at 32.07. 32.07. There we go. It is 1,899% upside. That's craziness. That's craziness. All right. Cool. We're doing that. So let's see if it pumps like crazy tonight or not. But C98 is the trade we chose for the evening. This is what we're looking at. If we pull out to the weekly, you're going to see how crazy bullish this thing looks. It is ridiculous. Your closest moving average is the 50 simple up here. It is a 59% move to the upside. That's the most likely place it will stop. But on the weekly, you just broke a downtrend. Very nice. You have another longer term downtrend all the way up here. You can also tell in this price range, normally you just break, you go straight up to this 2232 level. You could pull back there or you can keep going. But that's what we see for the swing trader out there. You're definitely looking for this 32 cent level. C98, everybody. C98. All right, with that being said, everyone, I'm going to call it a night. It is 9:30 p.m. for me. Oh, wait, ARPA. Sorry. I don't want to leave just yet. ARPA, we got to look at it. Up 12%. God, the rally continues. This thing is crazy. So, ARPA, let's go ahead and chart this thing out real fast, and then I am dipping out of here. So, on your weekly, we found very strong support down here. Very nice. You have more support there, and we broke it. Right here. Right there. Very good support levels. You hit it. You back tested it. Now you're taking off. Now this is where the levels come into play. You can see it with ARPA. Your level you're looking for, you can see the trading range. You see the lows here. You broke it. You back tested it. Now you're looking for your next level, which is up here. Next level right there. 7988 is the level you're looking for. Looking good. Yeah, it was when she pooped. I tried giving her powder, but you know.
Okay, it's not that great looking.
It got worse?
I put caramel on it.
Okay.
Powder. You need to finish your food.
Trying to finish stream. You showed BTC before calling it quit night. Just came on to live stream. Sure. We'll look at it one more time. ARPA on the daily. ARPA on the daily, you're super overbought, but you are rallying. Personally speaking, I would love for it to just consolidate around here before it starts trying to leg up like this, but beggars can't be choosers. It's just going. 4-hour time frame, super overbought. They don't care. They're pushing it up. Is what it is. Are they doing the same thing with Ape right now? I think ACH should have a move like that pretty soon too. Ape going negative. API 3 going negative. So ARPA's the only one that's still pushing. That's kind of wild. Checking out your 1 hour. Maybe this is the... Yep, that's the reason. You might be putting in a lower high because you're still basically in overbought territory, but it could continue going up. Could continue doing it. Volume going down. Volume is falling hard. Hard. So this could be the lower high that you're looking for. Yeah, if you were in this trade down here, congratulations. I mean, you got a great trade right there. Great trade. 15-minute, you're cooked. You're cooked. I won't FOMO. Smart. Don't FOMO into this. Even if it pushes up here, don't FOMO. Don't do it. But yeah, that's ARPA right now. It is just, it's in the stratosphere. It's doing its own thing. Kind of is what it is. Alright, so C98, that's the one you FOMO into. That's what you FOMO into right there. Fresh breakout. That's what you FOMO into. BTC, before I leave, looking at finding support, surprisingly enough. Finding support. That's cool. I would much prefer to get a back test down here on this level, somewhere around 67.89. I would prefer that. It would make more sense to me. That would be nice. Who knows if we get it? We are in Uptober, baby. Uptober. So yeah, that is what we're seeing out of the crypto space. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. Hopefully you guys are having a great day, great evening, great afternoon. If anybody else has any more questions, please just drop them in the Discord. Join us in there. We're friendly. Also, drop your favorite meme. Drop your favorite meme. I like laughing. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Take it easy. Keep those stop losses tight. Anybody who else is in the C98 trade with me, good luck to us all. Good luck to us all. We're not just looking for that. We're looking for this up here. I will see you guys tomorrow. You join the Discord, Adam500. Welcome to the Discord. Appreciate you all for being here. You guys are amazing. And till next time, I'll catch you later. Yep. C98's pumping. It's moving.